Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Razer Seiren Mini Microphone and will also be testing the quality of the microphone after the unboxing. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Hello guys, I am now speaking with the microphone right now. So this is how it sounds and the price of this microphone is $50. So this was the unboxing and a short microphone test of Razer Seiren Mini. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, so don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.